Hi guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to get this perfect straight hair using the very famous TYMO brush. So yeah, I finally bought it because yeah, I kept seeing this all over YouTube, so I had to try. I have curly hair. I will insert some picture of my natural texture so you can see. My hair is very thick, it's a lot, and it's curly. So only maybe 10 minutes to go from yeah, my crazy mane to this nice straight and soft, incredibly soft hair. So if you're interested and you want to see how I did this and how I use this amazing tool, please keep watching. Hi guys, so today we're gonna do my hair. So I wash my hair, I already put product in it and they are still damp, so I'm gonna blow dry them a bit with my Dyson and this comb, and then I'm gonna show you how I make them like nice and straight, and basically everything I do to my hair. Don't mind this, I burnt myself, so it's okay. So I'm gonna speed through this because it's gonna be loud, but yeah, let's start with this. So as you can see here, I'm just like blow drying my hair very roughly, like I'm not really precise, and I'm gonna use that comb to kind of like smooth my hair a bit since it's very curly. So it's gonna be easier for me then to go with the timer brush. So yeah, again, I'm not very precise. I'm just trying to get my hair as dry as possible, since you cannot use the timer brush on wet or damp hair because that will really ruin it. So need to get them dry, and that's what I'm doing here. So yeah, I have to say with the Dyson it doesn't take me that long, which is amazing. So yeah, just blow dry my hair, that's all I'm doing. So as you can see, my hair is very thick and it's a lot, and I got curly hair. So what I'm trying to do is try to blow dry them and stretch them a bit before I go in with the tiny brush. Make sure that it's all dry. I think it is. And yeah, it's a lot. And you can see, it's curly. So this process only takes probably 10 minutes and helps smooth my hair. Of course, the roots are still curly, but don't worry, with the time I'm gonna definitely get my perfect straight hair. Okay, so now my hair is dry. As you can see, it's a huge mane. So I'm gonna show you what I use to basically get them straight before I then wave them. So what I got recently from Amazon is this, which is pretty popular. I know all of you know this tool already. So I'm gonna use one of the clip that comes with the brush. It also comes with glove if you need, and brush, which I'm gonna use, and of course the brush, which is this. Now I'm gonna turn it on, probably at the maximum, because my hair again is very thick, so definitely I can use the maximum heat. Yeah, and my hair, so very simple. You can see, switch it on, and then I'm gonna you got, you know, the minus and the plus. You can regulate the temperature, and I'm gonna just, yeah, go on the highest, which I think is 410 Fahrenheit. No idea what that means. I think it should be probably 220 or 230, which normally is the maximum temperature anyway in Celsius. Anyway, so now I'm not going to use the glove, but I have another clip if I need to. And while that it's heating up, which, you know, is very quick, I'm gonna just brush through the hair just to make sure there's no knot. And as you can see here, you can see even though I use the Dyson to blow dry them a bit, but you can still see my roots quite curly. But yeah, are very soft and they smell amazing because I use an amazing product from I think it's Garnier. Yes, I think it's Garnier, and I love it. So I use these, which is like it's called Vitamins, and it's with red orange, so it smells amazing. And then I also use this, which again I love it because it smells amazing. And yeah, so got everything in my hair, so I'm gonna put this on the side because I don't need now this in my way. And I'm gonna start with this section. So I wanna try to get as close as possible to the roots, especially if your hair is like, yeah, curly like mine. And you can see one pass is already quite smooth, but I'm gonna do another one, and probably, yeah, another one just for the roots. And I'm gonna hold my hair as well because tension is key as well, especially again if you got curly hair. But yeah, you can see they are so soft, it's incredible. So now I'm gonna do this again close to the roots, and you're gonna brush your hair again. Tension is key, and it's already soft. Like, honestly, you barely need another pass, but just to make sure the roots are, you know, straight. But yeah, basically I'm done with this section. So now I'm gonna do the other one here, same thing, as close as possible to the roots. And don't worry, because it's hot inside, but no on the side, no on the top, so you can touch this brush and you're not gonna get burned, which is amazing. Because yeah, as you can see, I burn myself with my curling iron, so yeah, sometimes it happens, I get distracted. Anyway, my hair basically done already, and now I'm gonna do, yeah, this at the back again, close to the roots. And maybe what I'm gonna try to do is this, and brush it through. Yeah, might do another pass in here. It's mostly the roots, like my hair, it's fine. Is the roots, of course, are tough for us, you know, curly girl, but yeah, perfect. So as you can see, done already. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna use just this air tie to put this, so they're not gonna be in the way. I'm gonna go with a second side, and you can see I have loads of hair, which, you know, I'm happy about because my hair is very thick, and again, lots of it, so I'm not complaining, to be honest. I love my hair in summer when they are, you know, curly, because, you know, it's hot and it's fine. So, but this is amazing if you want to have smooth, straight hair, and especially for me now in winter, it's like way more manageable like this, because I wash my hair only once a week, because my hair is like I don't want to say it's dry, but it's definitely more on the dry side. So even if I go to the gym and I sweat, I don't get oily hair, which is amazing. So I can wash my hair once a week, especially if I wear them, yeah, let's say straight, because they keep, absolutely, they just hold the blow dry, or if I wear them like a wavy, just they hold, my hair holds that amazingly. So for me, with my job and going to the gym basically almost every day, it's nice not to wash my hair any other day. And again, now it's humid as well in here, because it's, you know, bloody January, so curly hair will like seriously be a nightmare for me, because I will have to probably wash my hair any other day, and yeah, just can't be bothered. So the fact that I can wash my hair seriously once a week, it's a blessing. So yeah, I'm gonna show you again one more pass, and yeah, I should have brushed my hair, because again, if you don't brush it, like honestly, it's gonna get a little bit stuck. So definitely don't forget to brush your hair before you use the brush. But yeah, apart from that, it's perfect. I'm done. So I'm gonna keep doing this, and then I'm gonna show you what I do next to get, yeah, my, you know, weekly blow out, blow dry, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, so but definitely this brush, if you don't have it already, which probably you do, but if you don't have it already, seriously, believe the hype, it's amazing. It's a game changer for us, again, with wavy or curly hair. Absolutely a game changer. There you go, I'm done. Like honestly, like maybe 2, sometimes 3 passes, like if anything, if you go again, maybe curly hair, so the roots might be a little bit a pain in the neck, so you might need to go maybe over 2-3 times, but yeah, but that's it. And again, it's not gonna damage your hair as much as a flat iron, because you don't really put your hair between 2 hot plates. It's just a brush, so it's definitely gonna be less damaging for your hair, and way less time than blow drying your hair, because, you know, I tried this even straight from my curly hair, and it still works. So even if I let my hair, let's say, blow dry, air dry, I mean, if I let my hair air dry, and then I just brush them, and then I use the TYMO brush, it still works. So honestly, is a life saver, honestly. And they are absolutely so soft. So of course it's also the product I use, but that brush, honestly, it's not gonna leave your hair dry at all. So perfect. Okay, so now I'm gonna do front of my hair. You can see, seriously, it's amazing. And I'm gonna do the my hair like kind of like pushing in the front like this, of course, yeah. And yeah, you can also do a little bit of a flip. You can see if you really hold your hair, and yeah, again, it's all about tension. You can actually get even a nice, you know, nice, yeah, bend in your hair if you know, if that's what you want. But again, during this part as well. And now on the other side, so I'm gonna make sure it's, you know, nice, straight, smooth, you know, everything. So and then yeah, gonna just do one more pass like this. No. Okay. So and yeah, and that's it basically. This is my hair, all nice and straight, and they are again. It's so soft, it's unbelievable. Of course, if you need to, you know, you can check your hair. If there's anything that you don't like, you can always, you know, go and, you know, do one more pass if it's not, you know, as straight as you want. Again, I'm always talking about the roots, not the rest of my hair is completely fine. It's the roots, because yeah, again, my hair is curly, so mostly the roots might be a little bit of a pain, but with this brush, honestly, cannot even tell I have curly hair. It's amazing, 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 amazing. So I highly recommend buying this brush. Again, the hype is absolutely real. So you can just, yeah, leave it like this. You got nice straight hair, which if you curly, you know, it takes forever to blow dry your hair, forever. With this, again, you can just let your hair air dry, or you can, you know, just use, of course, a blow dryer to blow dry your hair. You don't even need to get them straight. You can just use a brush to brush them through, to brush your hair through, sorry. And yeah, and that's it. And then you go in with the TYMO brush and you're done. Your hair is nice and straight and soft, and again, you're gonna have way less damage because it's a brush and it's not two hot plates, so quick. And if I'm not wrong, this brush it stays on for 30 minutes. Again, mine is still on, and as you saw, I have loads of hair, and still you don't need 30 minutes because it's so quick and it's so precise that, again, probably in 10-15 minutes you're done. So I love it. So now, yeah, I might just leave my hair like this. Again, normally I go with my curly hair because I like my hair to have a little bit of a wave, but this was just, yeah, to show the TYMO brush on thick curly hair. So, yeah, I think it speaks for itself. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it, subscribe if you're not yet, and yeah, and I see you soon for more video. So have a nice day. Ciao.